The question is, when initial concentration of the reactant is doubled, the half-life period of zero-order reaction is. The half-life period is doubled. Answer 2 is answer 2 is option 2 is correct. Check the next slide for explanation. The half-life period of a zero-order reaction is given by the formula T half equals to A by 2K. The initial concentration of the reactant is doubled, so A dash is equals to 2A T half dash is equals to A dash by 2K, which is equals to 2A by 2K, where A by 2K is equal to T half. So T dash half becomes equal to twice of T half, and hence the half-life period is doubled, and answer is option number 2.